Hello and welcome to the Wellness Tip of the Week. This week I want to talk to you about an anger scale. So what I would like you to do this week is I want us to make a scale of our anger, all the way from 0 to 10. And obviously 10 being this is the highest you can go. Like you're enraged, you're so angry that you're probably gonna lose control, you're gonna burst. And then all the way down to 0, which means like, okay, we feel good. Okay? So we're gonna rate it from 1 to 10. And then, 1 is just gonna get a little bit more angry. Maybe we're irritated at like a 1 and a 2. And then, at like a 4, we might start getting annoyed. And then 5, we might get frustrated. 6, we might get really, really frustrated. 7, we probably get really, really angry. And 8, we get even angrier. And then 9, we're furious. And then 10, we're enraged and we're about to burst, okay? So I want us to be able to identify where we are and how angry we are. Are we just irritated? Are we annoyed? Are we frustrated? Or are we furious? So I want us to pay attention and be able to recognize the different levels and where we're at. So when we intervene, we know we can bring ourselves down quicker, okay? So here's what I want you to do. I want you to, after we rate our anger, what I want us to do is, what does it look like when I'm this angry? What do I do when I'm this angry? So if I'm at like a 1 to a 3, what do I do? So if I'm just irritated, what does that look like? What actions am I doing? Am I stomping around? Am I yelling? Am I just putting my head down? What are the different things I'm doing? And then from like a 4 to a 6, what am I doing? So if I'm in that annoyed and frustrated range, what am I doing? What do my behaviors look like? Okay? And then from a 7 to a 10, what does that look like? So when I'm really angry or furious or enraged, what does that look like? What are the different things that I'm doing? What are the different behaviors? So what I want us to do is be able to identify these things and just increase our awareness of different triggers in our body, different things that tell us we're angry, and different things that we do to tell us how angry we are. Okay? And then again, when we feel ourselves this angry, we want to use one of those coping skills. When we use one of those calming skills to calm ourselves down. Okay? So have a great week.